We'll guide you through how to upload photos to Google Drive quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a plus sign button labeled New in the top left corner. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select File Upload from the options. This will open up a File Explorer window where you can navigate to the folder containing the photos you want to upload. You can select multiple photos by holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking on the photos you want. Once you've made your selections, click Open, and Google Drive will start uploading your photos. You can see the upload progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you want to keep your photos organized, you can create a new folder by clicking New and selecting Folder before uploading. Give the folder a name and then upload your photos directly into it. This helps keep your drive tidy. If you need to share these photos with someone, right after the upload, you can right-click the file or folder and select Share. Enter the email address of the person you want to share with and adjust the permissions if needed, then click Send. Remember, Google Drive offers a limited amount of free storage, so keep an eye on your available space if you're uploading a lot of high-resolution photos. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.